Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the mask feature on CapCut PC. So what I like to do with the mask feature specifically is I like to get a photo or a video, and I like to go to the mask section and I'm going to select just the circle section here. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and on this one, I'm going to just delete the mask and I'll select remove background first and I'll select auto removal. Then I'll select the mask again, select circle, and I'll just select this area so it looks like the person is popping out of the frame. You can do a lot with masks. You can invert them. Here I'll show you with this one. Select the circle one here. You can feather it out if you'd like to, creating this effect, or you can reverse that and create this effect. I say them quite a lot, sorry, but yeah, that is pretty much it. You can even add 2 masks at a time. So here I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and I'll select the circle mask again, and I'm going to reverse that to create like a moon shaped soccer ball like that. But that's pretty much almost it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.